Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you what I do during the week when Sekora goes to school with this hairstyle. So this is Monday night after she wore the hairstyle to school already, and I do want to mention that this is not the exact same hairstyle that you guys seen in the beginning of the video. This is another week. I thought that I should do a video like this to show you guys what I do throughout the week because it could help you. But anyways, what I do is in the evening I take out her elastics with some small scissors, and I only take out the top. I leave the bottom ones in. And then I always loosen her hair at the edges just so it's not tight when she's sleeping, just because it was pretty much up all day. And then of course her satin cap for when she's sleeping. This will help keep the hairstyle as neat as possible for the next day. So this is Tuesday before school, and what I do is I just take my spray bottle and I spray one of her ponytails, and then I grab an elastic and put the elastic in, and I do the same thing for the rest of the ponytails. And then I take the ends and I spray them with the spray bottle and curl them with my fingers. It's really good to make sure that you are using the spray bottle on their hair every single day, especially because it does help to keep the hair moisturized. So make sure you are spraying those ends as well. And now I'm just going to use a small brush to brush back her edges. And I haven't been using gel on her edges a lot lately, just because when she goes to school, it doesn't make sense because it ends up getting messy anyways from her playing, but also because it's winter, the toque that she wears to school, it always ends up messing it up anyways. So it doesn't make sense to me, but I do still use edge control on days where we're going places or pictures or anything like that. So now this is nighttime day 2, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing, just cutting out the elastics at the top, and then I'm going to put on the satin cap for bed. So now this is the morning of day 3, and on day 3 I usually like to take those elastics out at the bottom and then just redo that whole ponytail. I have the part so it is a little bit faster, but if I don't have time, I don't sweat it. I don't redo it. I just do the exact same thing that I did yesterday. But when I do have a little bit time, I definitely just take those out and kind of switch up the style, I guess. I'm gonna put braids in this one. And because I still do have the parts in her hair, it does make the hairstyle go faster than it would if I didn't. And then again at nighttime, elastics out, cap on. So today's day 4, it's Thursday, and I'm going to do the exact same thing I did on day 2, which is just spray the ponytail and then put elastics in. And friends, that's why it's really great to make sure that you have a satin cap at night for her hair, especially when you don't want to be doing new hairstyles every single morning, because it helps to keep that hair nice and neat. And also it does protect the hair. That's why we wear the satin cap at night, because it protects from frizz, it protects the hair from getting damaged by the pillow. So yeah, try to keep that satin cap on as much as possible. And this time I am taking out the elastics at the bottom, and I'm just going to replace them with black ones, just trying to match her elastics with her outfit. So this is nighttime day 4, and I'm going to do the exact same thing I do every night. So today is Friday, day 5, and as you can see, I sprayed the hair with the spray bottles, and then I'm putting those elastics back in the hair. And then today I'm going to keep the braids in, and I'm going to create cute little bantu knots or braided buns, whatever you want to call them. That's going to be the hairstyle for today. So it's night again, and we're just going to take those elastics out and put that satin cap on. So friends, today is Saturday and I thought I would show you guys what our Saturday looks like as well, just because we do get up early in the morning on Saturdays. The girls go to a stagecoach class and we are out the door pretty much the same time as if they were going to school. So I do have to get up and do their hair in the morning, and by Sunday the parts will be gone because Sunday is our wash day. So what I did today was I just took out the braids and I sprayed the hair with a spray bottle, those ponytails, I kept the parts, and this time I'm just keeping the hair out, as in I'm gonna put elastics in them, but I'm just keeping that bottom part out. So my friends, this is what our week of hairstyles looks like Monday to Friday. I really hope this video helped you guys out. As you can see, it's pretty simple. I don't change any parts or anything like that. I'm also going to leave a link in the description box to a video that I did where I do small braids and what I do throughout that week. That might help you guys out as well. Anyways, friends, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give our video a thumbs up. It definitely helps us out on the YouTube world. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair tutorials. We love you, friends. Bye.